here, everyone, like I told you, the area they have a lot, but the age of the tea it can stay too long. Like it starts from 15 years, between 30 years, and after when they start to plant the tea like here, they have to wait until 3 years after picking. But this one is a baby. It's around 5 months, and over there it's more than 3 years. And in here for the picking season, it starts from November until February. And in here, when they picking, they pick by hand, and they will pick around 10 times per month, or around 2 times or 3 times per week. And from today, the oolong, when they picking, they use the on the top around 4 leaves. Middle, both of them, and the big size, and picking like this, okay? And from now, we will do the tasting in here about oolong. After, let's do, okay?
lấy làm sao thì có chứ họ trả lại ta thì rồi cũng sang tới không phải cứ nó sẽ thì không có còn lại không phải cả không chỉ là cái loại gì hết nó sẽ có bố bé làm không được thì lại ta thầyจะlàm số chỉ là cho hết con nào thầy cho nó họ làm chuyện được là tiếp thì là tôi ra thầy Bắc.
Rice, yes. Some country is bread, right? And from now, around 5 minutes, we will get in the Long Lake Korean village, and I will start to give information for you first. From right now, where we know we are in the Chiang Rai. Chiang Rai is a city, the end Thailand here, the most of Thailand. And around here is have another country. It's have the Myanmar country, the Laos country also, because we start from the Golden Triangle. Yeah, and you can see the way, right? In the past, like I told you, that area, the Golden Triangle, or this area also, all of the Chiang Rai, we are used to opium trading center. Yeah, in that time, they have a lot of the people. It's not just Thai people, not just the Myanmar or Laos, but it includes the Hill tribe. The Hill tribe, yeah, they want to trading the opium also, like I want to sell it, because in them they believe if they sell the opium, then life is will be rich, have a lot of the money. But in the fact, it's not. They just eating the opium like a drug, just that. And when the time pass, everyone, the opium is become illegal in Thailand. It's must to control by the government. Some group of the Hill tribe, they are come here. They are come here, and some they go back to them country. And in that time, it's have to control by the government, right? The opium. And some group they go back to them country. Some group they are still stay here. One of them group is the Long Neck. And Long Neck actually then are not Thai people. They are migrate or refugee from the Tibet. Tibet is in China. This is the origin from them. And when they come here, they have to pass to the Myanmar and come to the northern of Thailand. And for them group, they are stuck too much in the Myanmar, because Myanmar it's easy for them for like live like the village or spend them life, because the Myanmar is like a more free, not have like a strong law. And just some part of them group is migrate to the northern of Thailand. That's why when you would like to visit the Long Neck, or like another group of the Hill tribe, you can visit at the Chiang Rai.
Để rằng làm cái gì ông po, cái này trong số trong po hay, chỉ số po phương po làm gì được cả, ông đã hay cái thứ lắm ông đã làm tạm thời, rồi rồi cái chết rồi trong po, tại vì không chỉ được, vì cả thà, cái này phải, ông tôi nghe gì ông tôi nghe gì.
Okay, everyone in front over there.
Này là chắc thì là người đi khâu đại long thì khâu xong rồi để trồng sọ cái này nên đừng chỉ chạy nên tí thôi.
Do you hear some sound?
Yeah. Đừng có con lòng
In here is a water from the nature, from the rain. They have the fish inside.
来猜一个，
And here is the bamboo. You see, bamboo, big size. Bamboo, that's one small size.
底下ông bố
And
在个狗
when
狗
you
可以
go
两不在。
to night market, you can see them sell the insect. They fry insect. And one of the insect inside the bamboo is a worm. Yes.
哦，
And this one is butterfly flower. Who ate the ice cream there? Blue ice cream. Yes. That one.
你听先忙来，你应该我来来猜，我那么懂。
Yeah. Banana. You see?
Yeah.
Start grow up. Be careful. This is.
That's mango.
Huh? No, not mango.
是那样的。
Here is the coffee. This one is Arabica coffee tree. Really? Yeah, only here. You see?
我一看，这样子的，其实白那个。
But it's like fall down, you know, right now. Okay, and here everyone, this part แม่ว่าดีจ้าเห็นอยู่เนอะ this part you can see another group of the Hill tribe like this woman. Yeah, we are call them Yao people. Yao people is migrate same as the long neck from the Tibet. Tibet is in China and they took the culture from there. Yeah, there is have snow, cold season, and you can see big scarf in here. Yeah, because in there they have.
这个领导我是挺皮的，对的，我把这个，
มีใครอยู่นี่ไหม
我是不得不没会看。
Let's stop one more time, everyone. May you like come close with me, please. Okay, from right now in here we are in the entrance of the Long Neck Karen village. If you look in the deep side, you can see both of your side is have the shop, but them house or them home is behind the shop. From now we will stop here first for like keep more information and let's try to hold. Then in here, just this man is can carving the ring in here. Yeah, when you see the.
你那个能保证多的保。
This is handmade by them. You see? You see the yes, yeah. And that man, he making this one. Yeah, make the design.
你多的保证多种不来，你那个其他。 摆出来轻一点东西，弄一点东西给他，我们早上他的两包子挺给那个，弄的，那多做那包子个多，我们包应当成个谁的啊？那个是大包子，说做了没？给了那个做了没？做那个呢，去当时个当时。
He making here because they have like so many.
这平下是我平下是，平下是，平不啷这种事情，就是那个新疆，不啷。 蛮挺给的，因为我上去，还挺也好不很。
In here the wood, you see, the can you guess like for what? The wood. They keep wood for cooking. Yes,
Not
a lot.
for heating.
No. Yeah, the bamboo in here, yeah, is the main material for build the house. It's a good thing when like cold. They can keep warm also, but it's got the problem when the rain. That's why in here, you see, on top
They have the
yes,
plastic.
plastic. Plastic. Yes. And here.
你看我们这种事情，挺给，
In the past, yeah, when they want to spend them life, yeah, they spend them life. It's just in the one area, like a sleeping, cooking, living. From now, they have more space inside just for sleep, and in here is just like a for
Social
cooking, the
cooking,
kitchen. Yes, and in the front is living room, and every house is have same platform.
Okay, which is the bike which one?
And behind they have the vegetable. Yes, and the toilet they separate for the cleaning. Like here is a kitchen also, but this house
Lại
is
chạy
closed
được
with
số
them.
in bác lại in năm rất là kỹ.
Fighting, cry. And this is water, yeah, like a kiln. And this is when he order also.
Để cha mình phải làm cái gì này luôn. Để tự nhiên bỏ. Lại chạy cái đi phải mà rất là kỹ. Cái chạy chia bự không.
วิชาอะไรอ่ะอังกฤษ
nhìn thì có một tiêu hoàn thành cái nhìn thì là nhìn thì nó mới phê được ha nhìn thì nó phê bụng họ bụng nó sẵn hết sẽ có lòng thêm có sẵn hết thì mấy cái cái sẵn sẽ ra ông còn lòng sẽ đi ra phải cái nó sẽ tới cái này thì không có tiền thì tôi tự hào nên không hết chịu khó
yeah, this is the loop here, cover up there. Sometimes
hay là cái điện ra thì hết thì chẳng hạn thì là không có bôi quân có nó lại
yeah, this is the company for the cooking. They come here.
nó hay điện là bông bôi đó sẽ chịu cái đó thì hết lâu nay kren thì cái đó sẽ có kren sẽ sắp ở điện rất là kỹ hết điện rất thì có số nênจะพอจะให้chỉ số mà họทำไปคือsố giá nó đangสั่งcái này nó sản xuất in trong trong phía đi cũng giá nó trong phụ pa trong có nó lên ngõ rồi mà thế sáng là nó xa phết
โอ้กำลังเคยเห็นผมจริงๆผมยาวมากเลยยาว
tại vì có thể là xa phết nó là tôi chưa trong cái是不公平，我们保证刚才都在这方面原因，我保证在路保持了，在应该路保持了下面的这，不怕一个，没耳朵的还多着口，
They have to change every 6 months.
wow.
And when you stand here, you will smell something from the bamboo grass.
Nó hình bóng rồi đấy, chơi chỉ là nó trắng ra, cứ bộ chân là cứ bộ không, thành đi. Nó sản phẩm cái nó to lên chứ chúng to lên cái hai
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดี
ใครทุกคนทุกปีแล้ว Hello ค่ะ
alright I look it này thực thi bao giờ rồi phải nó rồi đấy ở trong sáng rồi nó chặt phôi hay là không mà chặt phôi thì chặt phôi
Hello
hai hai 那给一张黑，那下课了，包括冲着这样，那还音量包装出去，那还可冲着这些给一张个黑，那从那里对应是弄去啊。
Normally we have the choice for you if you would like to drop in the downtown, like in the clock tower or in the night plaza. We can drop you there. If you don't have like an idea where will you have the dinner or like where will you go next, because yeah, some hotel is far away from the downtown. Or if you would like to go back hotel, it's fine also. And from now, please check your belongings. Make sure okay everything with you. Your phone